Welcome to the automated poultry farm. Everything here runs with precision, from advanced machinery to optimized farming processes. Look at them. These healthy chickens are enjoying their meal. The automated system ensures a steady food supply, keeping them well nourished. The feed machine is in action. It dispenses food efficiently, saving time and labor while maintaining high productivity. Now, it's time for egg harvesting. Fresh eggs are carefully transported via conveyor belts, preventing damage and waste. Once packed and stored, the eggs are loaded onto trucks, ready to be delivered to stores and supermarkets. A modern, closed-loop system that improves product quality and reduces labor costs. What do you think about this system? Leave your thoughts below.